I'm headed over to our new studio, our new location. We're moving from the west side of El Paso to the east side, and there's a little bit of a mess back here, but I promise you it's inventory that we couldn't have at our west side location because it was so small. But now we have a lot more space, so I had to stop at the store to get some nail polish remover because I need to fix these nails here. I can't like do my videos with my nails looking like this because, as most of you know, I record some of the designs I create. I'll be at the studio the whole day, so let's go do that together. Okay guys, so before I get started, I need to do something with these nails. As you can see, they're looking really bad. I actually just broke this nail, so let's fix that. I got these gel strips I'm excited about because I've tried going and getting them done. I've tried regular nail polish, and because of what I do, it's really hard to keep up with them. We're gonna be using nail strips that are gel, and I think these are gonna work way better. These are the Style Gradient Rockstar nails. That's the pattern, and as you can see, it totally goes with what I do jewelry. It has like the little sparkle. Let's do that process together. First, let's take this nail polish off. These nail stickers I buy Manavir, and they're the nfnf self gel nails designed by you. I'll have them linked below so you can try them out. So let's see how easy they are to apply. This is the packaging. It does say on the back that it comes with 2 nail sheets, and that way you can find the right size. It comes with 2 prep pads and a little stick for like your cuticles and a little file. I've been wanting to try these, so it does have the prep one, that way they can stick. And it does have a little nail file. Yes, it does have the little nail file and this little stick. So let's put these on together. Look at the awesome design. There's one here and another one here. Let's prep the nails using these. So first I use this little stick to push the cuticles back. Then I filed the nails, and then I use the alcohol prep pad to make sure that everything is nice and clean for the nail stickers. Then I started sizing my nails. Right after, you just peel it off, apply it, and then with the little cuticle pusher, you just go around, stick it really good. Oh my God, I love it. Look at that. So I just repeated the same steps for every nail. You can also use a nail clipper to remove the excess, then file them into shape. And that's basically it. It's super easy to apply, and the nails look really nice. Look at the difference. So pretty. I was sent this product for review, so I think this is gonna be my new nail routine. So if you would like to try them out, there will be a link in the description box below. We have a bunch of crystals that we're gonna have at the studio, so I'll give you a little bit of a tour of our studio. We have this window here. We do a display for Christmas, so these are going to be part of the display. Let me show you our big window here. I'm thinking of putting a bunch of these little gems hanging on there. Part of a sneak peek of our studio. We have all this area here for any girls' night event. We can do Friendsgiving. There's so many different things we can do at our jewelry design studio. This is the jewelry that I'm wearing today, which is all by me. Blazers that we're gonna have at the studio that are gonna be one of a kind. The other ones are still not ready, but we're working on those. Here's my neighbor. No, don't be scared. This is my neighbor. Your name? Jesus. No, don't say it. So like I was telling you guys, these are going to be the blazers that are going to be exclusive to our jewelry design studio, and they're going to be one of a kind. We're going to have a bunch of different designs over here. Let me kind of give you a tour of how our studio is looking now. We have a rack where we're going to have all these blazers. What is so nice is that they're super trendy. It's like the ultimate trend of the year are the blazers with like little rhinestones and gems all over. They're all designed by me. As most of you know, I do have a fashion design degree as well, so I use that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of my window. That is the window that we're going to be getting ready for the holidays. I have so many ideas for it. Let me show you. This is the window that I'm going to be working on today before I do anything else, because all the other furniture has not arrived. I'll show you everything that I got. So I got a bunch of stuff from Five Below. So I have been looking for these everywhere, and in case you want some, I think this totally goes with what I'm going for here in my studio. The name of my studio is Dainty Gem, so it's actually perfect for our window display. So we're gonna have a bunch of these, and then in gold. So that's kind of like the theme as you saw right now. My theme is white and gold, so this is perfect. I was only able to find 3 of these, but I found another design at Michael's, kind of like an iridescent design. So let me show you those. These are the other design. Take out one of them and string it up and display it, but these are absolutely beautiful. These were on sale. I think they were like 50 or 40% off, so check out Michael's for your holiday decor. So these are going to be hanging there. Should we try to hang one? Let's try to do that together so you can see what I'm trying to accomplish with this window display. So here I just started adding some clear strings to all the gems, but I noticed I didn't have any hooks, so that kind of gives you an idea how it would look. This wall here is gonna house all our necklaces hanging here and some earrings as well. We're gonna get a bigger mirror, and we're gonna have some shelves here. The earrings are gonna be hanging on here, but we're gonna have Dainty Gem packaging. So we're gonna have that here, and we have our chains displayed on these here. This is the setup for now. I'm so excited for you guys to see how it turns out. So let's keep on working on this display for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos. If you would like to know more about permanent jewelry, stay tuned.